Hello to all my friends out there. And later on today, I'm having a little tea. So I was searching around for a scone recipe and I found one I like. And so once you find a recipe you like, that's when you can make some really good stuff. So what I made, and here it is, this is yummy. I made a bacon and cheddar cheese scone, and then I sprinkle the top with bacon bits, cinnamon and sugar, and I have some cream cheese and honey on my scone. And so this should taste pretty good with my cucumber sandwiches. And as for these tiered plates, I am really getting the most use out of this little one. So when I buy some expensive ones, probably the first one I will buy is a small one. And here is, I actually have 3 good teacups with matching saucers, and this is one. This is an English teacup. And you know, I still have my little coffee pot, but it's a good little Narataki coffee pot, so it's, you know, it's good. And so I'll have a little tea, and 3/4 of a way full on your teacups. And a little sugar. Doesn't have I don't have this set up very cute. And a little cream, just a cloud this time. I used powdered milk. Of course, something always got to go wrong. Oh well. So there is my tea. And now let me taste my creation. And I already know it's going to taste. See, when you make them yourself, so much tastier. Okay, that is a good scone. All right, let me get the recipe. Okay, here is the recipe. I mixed all the dry ingredients and I sifted the flour twice, and in place of the 1/3 cup currants, I fried 1 piece of bacon. I only made half a batch though. 1 piece of bacon and some cheddar cheese to equal 1/3 cup, and I mixed that. Then I cut 3 tablespoons butter in with 2 knives, and then I added the milk and the egg, and I just carefully stirred that together. Then I rolled it out on a little flour, and then I topped each scone with cinnamon, sugar, and some bacon bits, and then, you know, I just baked them. And this is some bacon and cheddar cheese scones with cinnamon, sugar, and bacon bits on the top, served with cream cheese and honey. And the tops are really nice. Let me show you. See the bacon bits? So, okay, I think my tea is off to a pretty good start, and I hope you all have a nice holiday.